In a busy life, we need a relaxing trip. Beast SG906 drone, born for travel. It is a powerful travel drone. Automatic sensor adjustment camera, 4K HD 120 degrees ESC camera, optical flow constant, intelligent control, dual mode precise positioning. As long as you do not fly out of the earth, our satellites can locate your drone in real time. Make your flight more secure. Who can fly without wings? Beast SG906 3DVR experience function. Put it on. You can fly to where you want to go. If you are tired, turn on image follow function. Let a drone follow you and liberate your hand. Beast SG906 modular portable lithium battery for uninterrupted battery life. Don't worry about the life of the drone during the trip. Turn on the follow function of GPS to make drones of your followers. 336 degrees surrounds, a few simple steps, easy to take a picture of the net red. We have customized the fixed flight function for the traveler. As long as you set the flight path, the drone will fly according to your instructions. Gesture photography and gesture recording function let you capture every moment in real time. Record good memories. Our app can help you reshape the film. MV production function can add filters, music, lens effects to the film. Share a circle with one click. You will find a more beautiful world. Beast SG906 drone created for smart travel.